the function f is defined by shows that the fourth derivative of f is equal to f of x. So we need to consider derivatives, and the first derivative of f is equal to, we can see just the sum of functions, and we can easily differentiate them. So it's 1 over 4, e to the power of x derivative, it's e to the power of x, e to the power of negative x derivative, it's minus e to negative x, cosine derivative is negative sign, so minus 2 sine x, and the second derivative of x, it's 1 over 4 e to the power of x plus e to negative x minus 2 cosine x. The third derivative, it's 1 over 4 e to the power of x minus e to negative x plus 2 sine x. And the fourth derivative is 1 over 4 e to the power of x plus e to negative x plus 2 cosine x, and we can see that it is equal to f of x as required. The next, by considering derivatives of f, determine the first three non-zero terms of the Maclaurin series for f of x. The Maclaurin series for f of x is f of 0 plus the first derivative of 0x plus the second derivative of 0x squared over 2 factorial plus the third derivative of 0x cubed over 3 factorial plus the fourth derivative of 0x to the power of 4 over 4 factorial plus so on. This formula is given in a data booklet, and hence f of x is equal to f of 0. F of 0, it's 1 plus 1 plus 2 over 4, it's 1. Plus the first derivative of 0, we can see that it's 1 minus 1 minus 0 is 0. The second derivative, it's 1 plus 1 minus 2, it's 0. The third derivative, it's 1 minus 1 plus 0, it's 0. And the fourth derivative is the same as just a function, and it's 1, and hence the next non-zero term is 1 multiplied by x to the power of 4 over 4 derivative, and since the fourth derivative is the same as just a function, hence the fifth derivative is the same as the first derivative, and it's also 0. The sixth derivative is the same as the second, it's also 0. The seventh derivative it's the same as the third derivative, and at 0 it's also 0, and the next non-zero term is the eighth derivative, which is the same as the fourth derivative and is the same as just a function at 0, and it's 1 and x to the power of 8 over 8 factorial. And then you can guess it, it's not required, but you can guess it, the next non-zero term, it's the 12th derivative, it's 0x to the power of 12 over 12 factorial. But we need the first three non-zero terms, and we can calculate it, and it's 1 plus x to the power of 4 over 24 plus x to the power of 8 over this value. And that's all for this question.